All right, I'm going to take you through what Yesterday said in a little while. But for now, this is only the fourth time when India's inoculation drive has crossed the milestone of 1 crore mark. Until 2:45 p.m. today, India has vaccinated about 1.2 crore people, 1.25 crore people. And given the pace of vaccination here, it is likely to touch the 2 crore mark by today itself. In fact, on September 6th, we're looking at 1.19 crore people were given the jabs, while on August 31st, 1.41 crore people were vaccinated. So this is a huge milestone that the government has now achieved. On the 71st birthday of Prime Minister Modi, it appears that the government is coming up with a massive push for the vaccination drive to reach at least 2 crore doses today is what is expected. Now, of course, on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday, a 24/7 vaccination centre has been opened up in Bengaluru. It is the first in Karnataka. Now, people can go anytime and get vaccinated at their convenience.
The best possible solution available for the society or the people, it is vaccination to protect themselves. Under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, the drive has been going on from strength to strength. Each day we are able to scale up in a very big way. Probably in our country, we'll be vaccinating everyone, each and every citizen will be getting vaccinated. Probably it's a matter of time. Today, it's been a very special occasion. Our Honorable Prime Minister's birthday is been celebrated very meaningfully across the country by vaccinating.
As Karnataka government has taken up a mega vaccination drive, I'm coming to you from a vaccination center which is open for 24/7 and it has been inaugurated today. Here in Malleshwaram constituency in Bengaluru, BBMP has opened up a 24/7 vaccination center. Anyone can walk into this vaccination center at any point during the day and night and get vaccinated. This is the registration counter and it has been inaugurated today, and there are 2 vaccination booths here, and next to it is another vaccination booth. As soon as you enter, they check your Aadhaar, they check your documents, they check your verification. Is it going to be first dose or second dose? And then you move to vaccination counter 1 and 2 where you are administered vaccines. And this has been inaugurated today by the former Deputy Chief Minister and also the Higher Education Minister, Mr. Ashwath Narayan. Next section is the observation room where post-vaccination people come here, wait for at least an hour or 45 minutes, then see what's happening. If they have any issues, then they go back to the doctors. There are 28 constituencies and every constituency they want to achieve this 24/7. This is second such vaccination center in Bengaluru which has opened up today, and Karnataka has already vaccinated over 2 lakh people as we speak, and the government plans to vaccinate more than 25 lakh today, and as the mega vaccination campaign has started this morning. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.